Hi. Hope you had a good 4th of July weekend. Hamburgers, hot dogs, potato salad, fireworks. Hope you still have all your fingers and toes. That's important. So, anyway, got a little something different for you today, so let's get started. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Cybersecurity 101. I'm Mark Hemingway, Creative Content Director here at Archer Energy Solutions. Today we're talking about a sneaky cyber attack that can quietly redirect you to a fake website, even when you think you're playing it safe. It's called DNS spoofing, or DNS cache poisoning, and it's a classic trick that hackers still use to steal your info. So first, what's DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name System. Think of it as the internet's phone book. When you type in a website like mybank.com, your device doesn't actually understand that name. It asks a DNS server to translate that name into a real IP address, like the street address of your bank's server. This process happens in milliseconds, billions of times a day, and we take it for granted. But it's also a point of weakness. In a DNS spoofing attack, a hacker corrupts the information that your computer or your local network trusts. Instead of giving you the real IP address, it gives you a fake one, pointing you to a malicious website that might look exactly like your bank's login page, your favorite store, or even your company's intranet. So you type in your username and password, and boom, you just handed it straight over to an attacker. This is also called DNS cache poisoning because it poisons the cache of DNS lookups that your computer or network router stores to save time. For example, imagine you're sitting at your favorite coffee shop, connected to their free Wi-Fi, which I've already told you not to do. An attacker on the same network could run a DNS spoofing attack. The next thing you know, you think you're logging into Facebook.com, but you're really on a lookalike site that's stealing your credentials. The worst part is DNS spoofing can be really hard to detect. The URL might look right in your browser's address bar because the DNS did the wrong lookup behind the scenes. So how can you catch it? One clue is when the site's SSL certificate doesn't match, your browser might show a warning like, "This site's certificate is invalid." Don't ignore those warnings, they exist for a reason. Always look for HTTPS and the little lock icon. And if your browser throws you a red flag, it's better to stop and investigate. So what can you do to protect yourself? Use secure, trusted DNS servers. Some services like Google Public DNS or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 offer DNS SEC support, which helps prevent spoofing. Be extra cautious when you're on public Wi-Fi. Consider using a VPN. It encrypts your traffic, making it harder for attackers to encrypt or tamper with it. Keep your devices updated. Sometimes routers and local DNS caches need security patches too. And don't ignore those "this site is not secure" browser warnings. All right, that's DNS spoofing in a nutshell. It's a reminder that the internet's phone book is powerful, and when it's compromised, even the most careful user can get tricked. Stay aware, stay updated, and always think twice before you click login on any site that doesn't look or feel quite right, especially on public Wi-Fi, which you should always be using a VPN on, no matter what. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe button for more bite-sized Cybersecurity 101 videos. And if you have a scam or cyber term you'd like me to break down next, drop it in the comments. And don't forget to follow us on our social media channels, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. And as always, follow us on our YouTube channel at ArcherU. Stay safe out there. See you next time.
You can catch new episodes every Thursday. Follow us on YouTube at ArcherU. Like, subscribe, and click the bell notification to be notified when a new episode has been released. Is there a question or a topic you'd like Mark to address on an upcoming episode of Cybersecurity 101? Leave them in the comments below and check back in every Thursday for a brand new episode.